My tracking's all fucked, bro.
I didn't say nothing, bro.
That bitch.
No, I didn't. Tony.
Oh,
You
no,
did.
you literally just said that.
Right. No, I didn't, bro. He's making things up, I swear.
Shut the
Don't
fuck up.
believe me.
You said what you tell me, like, bitch.
Bitch, shut the fuck up. No,
Shut up, nigga.
it doesn't really look that interesting to me.
Yeah, that's okay.
Bro, you got those fucking bushy eyebrows? Who the fuck? Oh, my guy's up ready to draw a fucking unibrow.
Better than nothing. We have
God.
nothing wrong, bro.
Go the desk! I watched
Yeah,
it.
exactly. I wouldn't be
At least
talking.
I don't look like a hillbilly.
Talking.
Like sitting there just like,
Silly Billy, bro.
I
Like, you're
remember.
bro. Shut up, bro. You act like
I
you're in a
just
police
got
man.
possessed.
So stay away from him.
Bro, I bought double eye patch for no reason. Why did I?
You give people autism, bro.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Damn, bro, you're not even fair. I don't even
You
know
are
why I
too,
bought
bro.
this. I just
Shut the fuck up. Who the fuck
Cause
ass?
you're not.
Shut the
Cause
fuck
you
up.
were a.
Y'all both don't know what
You're
it is.
a word hole.
What are you laughing at?
Oh, you're trying to say
I'm
you're
literally,
an asshole. That's
literally
you,
blind. You can't be laughing.
Oh my god.
Oh my, I hate this.
Oh my god, he's not going escape
He's
mode.
fast. He's on escape mode. He's on escape mode, bro.
But you ain't even close to fucking fast, bitch.
Ah, stupid.
Shut the fuck up.
Desk.
What the fuck is this demon here? Shut the fuck up.
Nigger?
Bro, pineapple head, what the fuck is that? Guys, I'm copying my friend.
Oh, you're getting
He's
juiced so
mad.
badly.
What's Tagger, you got Tagger.
Clearly.
Wait, can you move your hands? Wait, move your hands. That's your balls. That's your balls. That's your balls. You're not getting your balls back. 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 You're not getting your balls back sometimes too. You're not getting your balls back sometimes too.
Yep, there's tag lag again.
Goofy,
Nah, bro, you
oh my
just
god, you such a
suck.
goofy. Why you such a goofy?
See, yeah, there's tag lag. I swear there actually was.
Oh, freaking pineapple. Oh god. Oh shit.
Oh, it's over now.
Why are they so? Oh, why are they always such?
Hey, I agree. Hey, lava monkey. Hey, lava monkey. Hey, lava monkey. Hey, lava.
Goofy Oh my god, how did I mess up my rounds? I'm so good. No, I'm a pro at messing up. Popping back. Popping back. Popping back. No. Black, you got a mic.